Hi, I'm Niraj Verma, Cloud Solutions Architect with NetApp. In this video demonstration, I'll showcase our recently announced feature of user-accessible API for Cloud Volume Service on Google Cloud. The Cloud Volume Service capabilities that are available through the web UI are also available through RESTful APIs. The APIs enable you to easily manage cloud volumes at scale, and they provide the capability to develop scripts and tools for provisioning and extending the service to other workflows in GCP. You can interact with Cloud Volumes API to programmatically list, create, update, and delete objects such as volumes and snapshots. The API is global, which means you always interact with a single endpoint. In addition to that, authentication and authorization to access the Cloud Volumes API is integrated with GCP IAM. Cloud Volumes supports two granular roles, that of admin and viewer. These roles can be assigned to users or service accounts to perform Cloud Volumes related tasks. The admin role contains the full permission set, whereas the viewer role contains the list and the get permissions on specific objects. In the first step of this demo video, we will create our IAM service account and assign the Cloud Volumes role to it. So let us begin. I'm logged into my Google Cloud Console, and I'm in the NCV Beta Demo project. I'll first go to IAM and create my service account. I'll click on Create Service Account. We'll give it a name, API Demo 1. I'll click Create. And this is where I can assign the NetApp Cloud Volumes admin role to the service account. I'll click on Select a role, scroll to Partner Services, and select Cloud Volumes admin role. Click Continue. And we'll also choose the option to create a key. Select JSON format and click Create. The key has been downloaded to my computer. So essentially, you have now created the service account and the private key file that can be used to generate an authorization token to securely make the API calls. This token is what the CVS API will use to authenticate the caller to make sure that this service account is the entity that signed the web token, as well as this service account has the correct set of permissions to perform the task. Next, I'll switch over to my Cloud Volumes dashboard, where I have 4 volumes previously created, which will serve as the output of our API call. I'll enable my Cloud Shell. Take a couple seconds here. And this is where I'll upload the private key JSON file that I just downloaded to my computer. Once that's uploaded, I have a simple Python script here to make the API call for GetList. I'll edit that real quick and give you a quick show here. I have the Cloud Volumes API endpoint listed here in the common variables. I've also updated my service account file to reflect the new private key file I just created. And I have the same project number here that I'm currently using. And with that, I'll go ahead and click Save. Exit out of this, go back to my Cloud Shell, and I'll upload my Python script here as well. That's completed. Now we can go ahead and run our script to execute the API call. To do that, I'll type Python 3 GetList and hit Enter. You can see that in the output of this command, or this API call rather, I have the same 4 volumes listed here that I have also available in the UI, which means that the API call was made successfully and securely. You can see how powerful this can be if you are a developer or an admin or an architect looking to use APIs in your workflows. And with that, I'd like to next direct you to our solution document. For more information, you can check out our full solution doc by searching for NetApp Google Solution Doc There's the very first result here titled Managing Workloads and Apps with NetApp. Click on that. Scroll on the right down to Cloud Volumes API. Select that. And this is where you can check out the instructions once again to create your service account and the role binding that we just did using the UI, which you can also do the same here using gcloud commands. And once you've done that, you'll be able to execute the same call that we just did for the getlist function. And the Python sample script is also listed right here. If you'd like to try out some advanced operations for get, post, put, and delete, our methods are available right here in our Swagger spec that you can also check out. This concludes the API demonstration. I hope this has been informative, and thank you for watching.